How's it going? This is Craig with Overlanding 5280, here to do a walk around of my 2005 Jeep Rubicon TJ. Let's begin. First thing we'll talk about is we've got the Poison Spider hood louver up here. Helps keep that motor nice and cool and ventilated. And continuing on the front here, we have the switched out the LED headlights. We have the dually DSSs from Rigid LED lighting. For recovery, we've got the Warn Xeon 10 with the wired line and the flat link factor 55. All right, so underneath the hood, we have just a bone stock 4-liter inline 6. Do have the AEM brute force cold air intake system with a MagnaFlow custom exhaust with a custom bend on the back end of it. All right, for suspension, we have a out-of-the-box 2.5-inch lift from Old Man Emu. We do have the quick disconnects right there for the sway bar. As far as tires and wheels, we have the stock Jeep wheel, and then we've got the BF Goodrich, the KO2 all-terrain 265/75/16s. And then from Extreme Outback, this is kind of cool, you have the no-loss valve caps. You just spin it, and it hangs on a tether so you never lose them. So in talking with the suspension earlier, one of the things you have to do when you add that lift kit is you have to get the spacers down here for the skid plate and make sure all the angles are correct. In the future, we're going to be switching out the drive shaft and the control arms to make sure everything's angled nice and correct on there. One other thing with the exhaust is we had a custom bend right here to get the tailpipe up and out of the way. Otherwise, when you're four-wheeling, you can really crush that and destroy it. So by getting it a custom bend up there, get it up and out of the way, it works really, really well. All right, continuing underneath, we've got a bunch of armor underneath. We've got the Poison Spider steering box skid plate, as well as Poison Spider diff covers on the front and rear. And then we have the rock hard 4x4 covers on all 4 of the control arms. Interior, did a few upgrades here. We've got the neoprene seat covers, which are really nice. Did the upgraded LED bulbs in the interior lighting. As well, did a Rugged Ridge accessory tray, which is nice. It has the ball mount so you can put your charging station up there for ham radios, cell phones, whatever you need. Also have the grip handles up here. Have 2 pair, 2 in the front, 2 in the back. It's good when things don't go your way. Something to hold on to. That's pretty much the White Lightning here. If you like what you see, go ahead and like and subscribe to Overlanding 5280. Tons of great content on there, and we'll see you out on the trail.